How to use a Visa gift card on DoorDash. So if you'd like to use a Visa gift card on DoorDash, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Now, in order to use a Visa gift card, so it is normally essentially just a Visa card. So to use a Visa gift card on DoorDash, once you go to DoorDash.com from your website or the mobile app, and that you make sure that you are logged into your account. On the bottom left, you can see the option called account. So simply go to the account option there, and from there, what you have to do is to simply go to an option that says payment and just make sure to click on it. Now, once you go to the payment option, this is actually a Visa gift card. Now, if it was a DoorDash gift card itself, then you would have to redeem it from the gift card section by clicking the redeem now option from here. However, it is a Visa gift card, and if it is not related to DoorDash in any way, it is just a normal Visa gift card. You have to use it as a normal payment method using credit or debit card option. So I hope this video made it clear. So bottom line is, if it is essentially a DoorDash gift card itself, you would have to scroll down, go to this redeem now option, and in the next purchase of your DoorDash, it would be automatically redeemed. But if it is the Visa gift card, you have to add it as a normal credit or debit card right here. And once you do that, you should be able to enter your details and click the add card button to finish adding the card. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.